listening to me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a month since I posted my previous video, and that video was somewhat serious, but today I'm excited to show you guys how to make this beautiful pink floral earrings. I've always loved anything that has floral prints. I love flowers. I also love doing floral arrangements. So that's why I was
Sorry for the
looking
interruption. If you haven't done
the
so,
perfect
please click
floral
subscribe to my
earrings to wear
channel.
for
It's going to be
special
a great
occasions, for
video.
casual wear.
Thanks, guys.
And when I searched on Google, I couldn't find anything that I like, and anything from Amazon didn't really stand out to me. And one time I bought these floral earrings and they broke apart. They didn't last very long and they were cheaply made. And so I came across this video from this YouTuber, Angelina. So this is not my original idea, but I want to show you guys that you can do this with different types of flowers, different types of hoop earrings. So let's get started. First, all you need is a pair of hula hoop earrings. So I'm going to use these today, and my favorite color is red, and I'm going to use red flowers today. I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1. So everything that we use today is pretty much under, I would say, under $10. So yeah, you can buy a pair of floral earrings online for 14 bucks or 12 bucks, or you can just do it yourself. Anyway, we need a pair of scissors. So hold on. Now take a pair of scissors and cut a branch. Basically, we're going to tear this flower apart, right? Because we need the petal. This is what I'm going to do. Just cut it, okay? It's hard, so it's hard. Make sure you use a very sharp scissor. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. You take the flower and you just pull this green thing out, because I think that one is, this thing holds the flower together. Now you pull it apart, right? Now you have the pretty petal and it already has a hole. And what you're going to do, you're going to take your hula hoop earrings, right? You see? Bam! Sounds like emerald. That chef, yeah, he always says bam. Anyway, you're going to put in the hula hoop earrings. It all depends on how many petals you want. It's all personal preference. For this one, I put only one, but maybe I should try to do something different and try 2 petals and see how it looks like. Easy, right? It's not even 5 minutes. Wow, right? So pretty and very affordable. And I'm going to take the rest, put them apart. I went to lunch with my boyfriend and he said, "I like your earrings." And I said, "Oh my God, thank you so much." You know, we wear things for ourselves, right? We don't need a man's approval. But when my boyfriend said that, and then when my dad also complimented my earrings, I was like, "Oh my God, thank you so much. That means they look good." So I know that I did a good job. And that's why I want to share you guys that you can use this technique with different types of hula hoop earrings if you want something smaller than these, and different type of flowers too. So they look. Already, what do you guys think? They look pretty good, right? And it only cost me about pretty much like, I say $8. I don't remember how much I bought the hula hoop earrings, maybe $6. And then the flowers I got from the Dollar Tree was $1. So I'm pretty happy with the result. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, if you love it, please comment, please like and subscribe, share it to your friends or whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love all things floral, all things beauty, pageantry. But yeah, so subscribe. See you guys.